Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video, I want to focus on one market only, and I want to share with you a pattern that looks like it might be forming a massive rounding top, maybe head and shoulder formation if you're going to call it that. And if it confirms, that could be really bad for the market. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into this right now. And I want to share this with you. Right now I'm looking at the transportation average. And now firstly, let me just quickly walk you through all the markets today. If I just bring up this screen here, you can see pretty much a nothing day on the Dow Jones up the top here. Same for the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. There's your update. I'm actually expecting more downside to come out of these markets, guys. Now, I don't expect that with all stocks. You've got to remember that the Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq doesn't equal all stocks. Right now, I'm actually bullish a few stocks and I'm bearish one stock because it's the setup there, okay? So just make sure that you are trading. You are looking at that when you are trading that, okay? Now, moving on through to the markets, look at this here. Now, one of the big things that I really learned when trying to read and trying to trade these markets, or trying to read and trade in these markets, is when I'm trading, yeah, it's always good to see what's happening here in the last sort of 1 to 3 months. But one of the most important things that I really learned from one of my mentors, and it's made a huge difference to the way that I really clearly see what's going on in the markets is by squeezing it up as much as possible. You know, even just 1 year worth of data, even on your screen, as you can see, it's just 1 year worth of black bars, and it just gives you a really good gauge guide. D, right? Like D, that's the word. It gives you a D. D means like a bit of a clearer picture of what may be forming or what may be coming down the road. So D is happening right now, and one thing I'm seeing right now on the transportation average is this. Notice how we've had pretty much a nothing going on since August through to October. Little run up, and then we come back down to actually create a slight lower low, or maybe not, maybe just an equal low. But look at this thing through here. This could be really bad for the markets because we could be forming a massive shoulder. Then we have a head. What happens here? If over the next month we start to develop something like this, and we get that, that's the neckline. That's the neckline, and where I see the projection for this neckline is really the projection for the head and shoulders, the projection for the neckline. Come on, John, get with it. The projection for this head and shoulders is you measure from the low of what could be the shoulder. If there's going to form another right shoulder through here, and then we drop down. And then you go from the head, you draw a trend line from down to the head to the bottom of this support level, if it is going to be a head and shoulder. And then we project that down like so. And then we bring that down through to there. And that is, what a quinky dink, hey? Look at that. The projection is right at that resistance level right there. Coincidence? I think not. So, looking at this here, if I squeeze my chart out once again, you can clearly see what I'm looking at here. This could be a shouldering formation, a heading formation, and an either going to be another shouldering formation. Just want to share that with you there, guys. It's really interesting what's happening in the markets right now. It's really important, guys, just to try to stay on top of it. Don't be bullish, don't be bearish, and don't be risking too much on one per trade. But if this does happen, this could be a short-term projection on the 180, but then after that, this actually could be the top in the transports before we see another move to the downside. Now I don't know about what's happening with the markets, but maybe the markets are starting to factor in maybe a potential second shutdown. If that happens, then we're probably likely to see this again in the markets. And so the free fall we saw in the March, the free fall we saw in March, we're probably like, the market will probably do that first before the shutdowns and all that sort of stuff. So the market sort of preempts that. That's the reason why it's important to try to see what's happening, read the markets and read the patterns and all that sort of stuff. So there we go, guys. This massive rounding top pattern could be forming a bit of top. Hey traders, John Howell here. Thanks for watching my video. For a limited time only, I am giving away free access to my brand new trading course. I've put all my most powerful systems, strategies, and trading techniques that I've learned over the last 15 years and put it in this course, and I'm giving it away for free for a limited time. See, in this brand new Go to the Markets by the Board trading course, and you can get it when you go to johnsfreegift.com, you're going to learn, firstly, you're going to get access to a brand new training course for 90 minutes, and you're going to learn all the details step by step to my #1 trading system with over a 90% success rate that works on any market and any time frame. You're also going to learn 3 powerful chart reading and trading techniques. You're also going to learn 2 more powerful trading systems, and also you're going to learn 7-figure trading secrets, mindset techniques, and so much more. There's top 13 mistakes you're going to learn, the 10K per month formula, and so much more. No, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but if you are struggling with your trading right now and you need help, then for a limited time, you can get free access to this. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now, or click on the very first thing in the description, because for a limited time, I'm giving away. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now and start getting access to this full complete trading course, plus also the free training with my #1 trading system with over 90% success rate. Go do that right now, and I'll see you on the next page.